of Garland, am proud to officially proclaim October 3rd as Adrian Phillips Day in the city of Garland.
After playing 10 years in the NFL and then playing at the University of Texas before that, the most thing that I'm proud of is graduating Garland High School and being a product of Garland. So it was very important for me to come back and be a pillar in the community and promote togetherness and help the next generation be everything that they can be.